Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Creek TV. Today's episode, we're out on a small lake. I got my buddy Blake with me here, and we're going to be targeting some decent sized eater bluegills. Trying to get some food for the table and some fun, some bending those rods. Got a couple hours to fish, going to see if we can get on top of them. I'm going to start popping holes all over the lake, and stay tuned. Got this tank off camera. Nothing in sight. I just left my jig down there. It literally hooked itself. Beauty. Huh. I'm gonna set up the jaw jacker. Sets the hook on its own. I'm gonna put it here while I go scope around. That's what we're looking for though. Look at that thing. Blake's first one of the day. Nice one too, an eater. Show the camera, that's a slab.
Gotta wait. Jesus.
Alright, we're just gonna stop embarrassing Blake with his fish holding skills.
Yeah.
Here. Oh yeah. Oh, they're good fish. It's a good take. Hammering it. Good school bluegill. Oh man. Messing with me. It's like 50 over here. Oh yeah, big school of bluegills. We can take advantage before they move on. It must be small, I'm not getting big bites now. Got one. Got him. Oh, it feels alright. Whoa, dogging me now. Yeah, they're good when they make that drag click. Look at that slab. Back in there. That's going to be some good table fare. Right on them. This is where we're catching them in the summer. I can't believe they're out here in the winter. Oh my god, they're all over it. It's not even down yet. Slab. That's amazing. There's hundreds down there. Got him. Nice one. Oh, this is too fun. Oh. Smaller than I thought. He was just wrapped up. There's so many, dude. There's hundreds. Me.
Like, as long as it takes me to get to the truck and back.
Okay. Cool.
Or if you want to start moving over, I'll bring bags.
I think we should put the hut here.
Okay.
Because it doesn't get much faster than that.
Yeah.
That's surprising. Yeah. Nothing on the screen. Very nice hole over. Looks like nothing. We'll see. They left that hole and came over here. They left that hole and came over. Holy sunfish. Clean. They were literally all there, and then they were all gone. Yeah. Got that one lonely sunfish to come up. This isn't even the drop. The drop's got to be that way a little bit.
Yeah.
It's like I want to set up the hut, but I also don't want to stop fishing. Yeah. Like, how much time is there? Is there a point in setting up the hut? 2 hours. Yeah, there's no point.
I'm fine without it.
Yeah, me too. I'm warm. Hey, Blake. Still on there? Yeah, it is. That's funny. Oh, got him. I've never had fish hook themselves. Another good one. The juice. Wow. I've been waiting to fucking crank fish like this.
Yeah.
Hopefully all that fucking, oh, there's one. I was gonna say, hopefully all that disturbance didn't spook him. But it didn't. Wow, this is a big one. Or it's just fighting hard, I don't know. No, it's a big one. Choked it. Look at that. Snag that out of your hole, sorry.
Get out of my hole.
Sorry. Blake's got a little crappie. Trying to keep it down so people don't come running over. It's sick. Bunch of fish down here. Yep. Got him, got him, got him. Oh. Fighting back. Nice. That'll do. Whole ton of them down here. Trying to stay on top of them. This might turn out to be my best day ever bluegill fishing.
You reckon?
Through the ice, yeah. There he goes. Yep. Got him. Fight way more when they get up by the hole. Wow, they're choking it, man. Nice. So many down there right now. You got nothing in yours?
No, nothing in mine.
Crazy. These fish are in like, what, a 20-foot radius, Blake?
Well, me and you were 8 feet
Yeah.
from each other.
Such a small distance, and there's just like moving all over. One's coming to it now. Yep, there he is. Oh, tapped it. Missed it. There he is. Yep. Oh yeah. Fun, fun, fun. Nice one. Yeah.
Feet from each other.
So I'm saying that school just moves through. You gotta stay on top of them. If you don't keep them interested, they move on.
That tip up's up.
Oh, go get it. Oh, he's on there too. Blake's got one on the tip up. It worked. Bluegill? Decent one, nice. On the tip up. Okay, I gotta keep these ones going. Cool, it worked. back down to him. I'm gonna get my shot.
I'm going to get your shot, or I am?
You were in the shot.
I am.
Yep. They fight so much harder when you get them up by the hole, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Turn their bodies sideways. Yeah, another nice one. Just a smash fest. I don't have time to put them in the bag either. Need like one of those fucking...
Does this one back up, or just leave it? Or slam it?
I would just leave it, yeah. Doesn't take long. There's one. Yep.
I got robbed.
Wow. Nice one. Woohoo! Sick. This is better than my bluegill video from earlier in the year. Lots and lots of fresh, clean bluegill meat. 27 feet here, so all these fish are going to be nice and clean. Good table fare. I'm going to hate myself when I go to fillet them though. They're such good little fighters too. Fight harder than the perch I got yesterday out on Simcoe. Table fare. I am just fucking on them right now, Blake.
Yeah.
Give me non-stop. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that was all wrapped up. Gosh. Oh my god, that was big. There's one. Little one. Oh. Down the hole, dude. Came off. Oh no, it didn't. Drag is loose. Oh, it's tangled up, I see. There it is. Nice. Oh. You're staying with me. Right like that, yeah. Nice one. Hold it up to the camera. You're the worst person I've ever seen at holding fish. Suspended. Like 10 feet off the bottom. Get it. Oh, that was big. I got a bass. I just had a bass, yeah. Oh, I fucked that up. Okay guys, that's going to be a wrap on today's video. It's a slushy day out here. Spent about an hour walking around the lake trying to find fish.
Finally got on top of them.
Yeah, finally got on top of them. My waypoints weren't working, but this worked out well. And now we're on top of them. Blake's got about 20 and I probably got
About 25, 27.
Yeah, 25, high 20s. Awesome day. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Creek TV.